In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Bluebeam comments. If you're working with PDFs that include feedback, highlights, or design markups, Bluebeam Revu makes it easy to review everything in one organized place. We'll walk through how to see all comments, jump to them in the document, and quickly filter and sort so you can focus on what matters. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once the file is open, the key tool you'll use is the Markups List. This panel is the command center for comments and annotations. To open it, click the Markups List icon, usually located along the bottom panel area. If you don't see it, go to the top menu, choose View, then Panels, and select Markups List. If the panel is docked but collapsed, just click it to expand. With the Markups List open, you'll see every comment, highlight, stamp, and markup that exists in the document. Each entry appears as a row with useful details like the type of markup, the author, the page number, the date, and any associated comment text. You can drag column dividers to resize them for readability, and right-click the header to show or hide columns depending on what information is most helpful for your review. To locate a specific comment on the page, simply click its row in the Markups List. Review will jump directly to the exact location in the PDF and select the markup so you can see it in context. This is a fast way to move through feedback without manually scrolling from page to page. If the zoom level is too close or too far, adjust as needed and continue selecting items to move through your list efficiently. When you want to narrow down what you're seeing, use filters. In the Markups List, open the filter controls and choose the types you want to display, such as text notes, highlights, or stamps. This is perfect for focusing on a specific kind of feedback, like only text-based comments during a content review. If you apply multiple filters, remember to clear them afterwards so you return to the full list. To organize the list further, sort your comments by clicking a column header. Sorting by author is great for reviewing one person's notes, sorting by date helps you see the latest additions, and sorting by page lets you follow feedback in document order. Click the header again to toggle between ascending and descending order. That's all you need to confidently view and manage comments in Bluebeam Revu. Open the Markups List, click to jump to items, use filters to focus, and sort to keep everything organized.